Grubandtherangerz like to take a moment to thank our sponsors.
Team Deathmatch. Rangers lead the way.
Carson, where's it? Hold on.
They got us pinned already.
Dude, I'm going around this way, okay? Do you see anybody? Oh, hit! We got guys moving up on our left side. Right here! I'm gonna go for him. He's right there.
Hey, grab my gun. I'm coming down.
Thomas,
Grab my gun. Thomas, grab my gun.
where is it?
Right here.
Thomas, safety's on!
Here. Where is he?
Dude, your FPS is way.
What? It's high? Hey, watch out. Is it high? Holy crap!
You get hit?
No, he's right there though.
Dude, okay. We're getting peppered. Dude, can you give me cover fire? Okay. Go around the corner and give me cover fire. I'm gonna run.
Oh.
Thomas, hurry up! Cover fire, I'm gonna charge him.
Where is it?
He's right there, you see him? Ah, hit! Carson, charge. You ready?
Dude, Carson, it's gonna hit you. Down?
No, he fell. Ah, hit! Nice shot!
You're out for the game.
No, wait. I'm hit! Can you tag me, dude? Tag me.
No, that's 2 medics.
And then you respawn for the rest of the time. Dude, they're gonna take the medic. They're gonna take the guy. Let's go. I'm hit!
You're good.
Huh?
You're good.
Good shot, though!
Dude, they got us pinned.
Look at a guy right here.
You're hit, dude. I mean, you're good. They got us pinned, yeah.
Let
me see if I can get him through here.
Oh, shit.
You got that side, I got. I think I'm pulling out my ammo. Oh, there's a guy up here.
Okay. I'll watch this side. You guys want You see him? Ah!
Hit?
Reload. No, I need to reload. Where is he?
There's a couple guys on
the
car over there. We're fucking pinned behind the car.
Guys, we got guys right here.
Oh, dude, the wind's terrible.
Huh?
No.
I'm just throwing them down right here. Guys, they're going back. We gotta go get the chemicals.
Okay. They're falling back. We need a riot shield.
You ready? We're gonna charge.
Hey.
Guys, cover fire this side, okay?
Go charge for
Hit!
recording it.
Yeah, I died. Tried to make 2 runs.
We're on the other side.
I can't tell who anybody is because I'm dead.
Oh, there they are.
Sorry about that. Yeah, my phone does pretty good quality.
Your GoPro died?
No, I died. I died. You can only respawn twice.
And then you're dead?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm dead.
Throw your dead rag on your head.
I don't have one.
Oh, then just say you're dead and go over there where your dad is. Just go.
I'm dead.
Dude, what the heck?